Hi everyone. Meant to do this earlier, but I haven't been feeling very good and a little pink in the face right now too. But I wanted to get this done real quick. So this is my positive message for today and for this video. And my stepdaughter, Annette McKinney, has a book coming out in February, and she's doing a pre-order for her. It's a children's book called On Mama's Back. It's from the perspective of her daughter being on her back, and it's really a cute story. I just want to share it with everybody, and if it's in your heart to purchase a copy or if you can recommend it, that'd be fantastic. I just so proud of her and wanted to share her work with you all today and support of her as well. So follow my little clip. You're going to see a little clip on her stuff that she's got, and I'll put links below so that way you can find her on Instagram as well. So anyways, my message for today: a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Proverbs 27:9. And I can't agree more. It is so true. Anytime you have like that connection to where you just, it's uplifting. So definitely a good message, and here it is to share with everybody. So continue, watch the little clip. You can see a little glimpse of her book and how to get in touch with her. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.
As you can see, this is her website on Instagram. This is the cover of her book. It's On Mama's Back, and that's a picture of her daughter and her. And there's her daughter doing her favorite thing, reading, and she's like 4 years old. Here's some examples of how you can purchase it on the Mia's Pen, and I'll put that link down below as well, and what's being offered and how much. And so she's also got, I thought this was interesting, a lesson plan too that she's included. You can also find her at Oh Me, Oh My. And anyways, I purchased 3 books, and what I'm gonna do is do a giveaway, I think, with one of them when I get it. So again, thank you everybody for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Be blessed.